How to use Trello. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to show you around Trello.com how to use Trello for your team management, for your project management, for your automation, and much more. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is simply come to Trello.com and you will land on this platform right here. Trello helps you to manage your team better and to run a successful business. It has a lot of different features. So let's get started with the video. So to sign up, the sign up process is really easy. All you have to do is just add your email address right here and sign up for free. It is completely free, so you can simply go ahead and use Trello. So once you have signed up for your Trello, this is where you will get your own workspace, your own dashboard on Trello. If you do not have any workspaces that you have joined before, so it will be completely empty. I have few of the workspaces, that is why it's showing like this, but you will just see these right here to create a new workspace. So let's get started by creating our workspace first, and then I will show you how you can add different boards, how you can add members, and how you actually create different tasks. So the first thing is going to be creating our own workspace where I will be able to get all of the different options. So to create a workspace, either you can click on create and then you will find the option of create workspace. I am getting the option of workspaces right here and I will click on this plus icon. It will allow me to create a new workspace. So let's go with this option. Simply click on create workspace and then Trello will allow you to create a workspace. So this is going to be the name for the workspace. Let's call it test workspace. Yeah, let's call it test. And then I'm going to choose the workspace type. We have different types. If it's a human resources, operation, marketing, small business, engineering, IT, whatever. So let's go with marketing. Okay, so now I have to add a description for my workspace. So I'm just gonna, for now, let's call it test description. There you go. So I'm gonna add the description. After that, simply click on continue. Now I have to add an email address to invite members to my workspace. So you can simply go ahead and paste as many emails you can right here, or you can do this later as well. So actually I'm going to go ahead and invite just one. I will just add one email address right here. So this is the email that I have. Simply invite to workspace. Once you click on that, the invitation has been sent and they will simply join your workspace. So now Trello is working and I will get my own workspace right here. So you can see this is the workspace that I have gotten. So a lot of work to do, right? But we will actually make it much more better, and I will actually kind of like work on this one. So this is actually the test one I have. This is the description. Edit workspace details. You can edit the workspace details and you can change the logo as well. Simply click right here and you can upload your own logo on Trello. So for now, I think this is good. So we have boards, we have workspace table, which is the other view that we get. Like, it's going to be our workspace table on Trello. So how it works is, this is actually for the a custom view, which is not for free. So this is the boards right here. Now I have to get started with the different templates. So let's choose a template from here. We have marketing overview, we have how to market strategy template, or I can browse template gallery to kind of like get the board gallery for myself. This is actually pretty amazing and I really like Trello for this option, that we get a lot of different templates to choose from and it kind of like makes our workspace better. So if you like the board views, if you like templates, if you like the list and things like this, so it becomes very fun to work with. So it's like pretty amazing. So now I'm gonna go ahead and choose from template. Let's go with this template right here, which is a Kanban template. So this is going to be the view of the template. This is what the workspace will actually look like. I can go ahead and choose another one as well if I want to. So this is like the view for this one. Then we have the project management one. Then we have simple project board. Let's check this one out as well. So this is the workspace. This is what it looks like. So I think this is like pretty refreshing. So let's choose this one for now. Simply click on create board from template. So this is how it is going to be. Simply click on that. So the title for this workspace, this board, is going to be test. I don't want it to be the same, so I'm going to go with test. After that, the workspace. So I will choose my test workspace that we created just now. Simply click on test. After that, I'm going to keep the cards, keep the template cards as well. Simply click on create. There you go. Now this is my workspace, and now I can customize it the way I want to. So this is how it is. You can see right here the images you see right here. These are just the images that came with the board. If you do not like this view, it's okay. You can go with a simple one as well. I kind of like went with this one just for the sake of aesthetically good looking board. That's like basically it, and it kind of like gives a very refreshing view. So I went with this one. It's okay if you want to keep it super professional and do not want any colors, so that's fine. Let's add a new task. To add a new card or a new task, you simply click on add a card and you will give it a name. Let's call it task 1 and click on add card. Then you can go ahead and add as many as you want to. We can go with task 2. There you go. And it will be added right here. Now, if I want to add the information for this one, simply click on right here. Now, it's an open card, added labels. I can add the labels for this card, and I can add as many labels as I want to. So let's call this label. Let's give it a name of complete, and I'm going to give it, green color. And I'm going to click on save. Then I can add this label. Let's call it to do, and I'm going to give it a yellow color, save. After that, I can click right here and I'm going to call it editing. Perfect. Editing needed. And it is going to be orange. Click on save. So these are the different, tasks you can actually create. And the red one is going to be error. Perfect, and click on save. So these are the different labels. Let's call it to do task, and after that I can create as many labels as I want to. Let's cross this one. Then we have change members. If I want to change the members, I can go ahead and do that. Change cover. Click on change cover and you will be able to add a cover for your task. Let's go with any image you want to. Let's go with this image right here. So this is how you can add images as well for your different tasks. You can go for images of the different team members. If you want to go for a related image, I kind of like went with this one. You can go for simple colors as well. That is totally up to you. After that, we can copy this one, we can move this one, and then we have edit dates, we have archive as well. So if you want to edit the dates for this one, if you have a deadline, you can simply go ahead and edit the dates, and you can also set a reminder. I want a reminder 1 hour before the task, before the deadline. Simply click on save. Perfect. So you can see right here, I have created this task right here. If you want to move a task, simply drag it and you can drop it wherever you want to. So this one is to do, right? Simply click right here. For example, I have done a task and I will put it right here. So this is how we do that. If I want to add a new list on my board, click on new list and I can create a new list like this. Like this is brainstorm, to do, doing, done, or I can create a list which is going to be error. Okay, and I'm gonna add a list right here. This is going to be, okay, I kind of like messed up with the spelling, so you can add right here, I kind of like misspelled it. So then you can add as many tags as you want to. Other than that, you will get the option of visibility right here. You can invite members, you will find different templates, you will find start, recent, workspaces right here. You can switch between the workspaces as well. Trello is super easy to use, very beginners friendly, and gives you a lot of different features to create an amazing workspace of your own and to do project management to run a successful online business. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know how to use Trello. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.